Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where I share with you the best tips and tricks for hosting amazing parties and events. Today, I have a very special product to introduce to you. It's called Cuinar, and it's a new type of tool for keeping food warm. Cuinar is a revolutionary device that combines the benefits of an insulated food warmer and a sous vide cooker. It's a large cylindrical container that can hold up to 20 liters of water and food. It has a digital display and a control panel that lets you set the temperature and the timer. You could use it to cook food at low and precise temperatures, or to keep food warm for hours without losing quality. Cuinar is perfect for parties because you can prepare your food ahead of time, and then keep it warm until you're ready to serve. You can cook anything from meat, poultry, fish, eggs, vegetables, soups, sauces, and more. You could also use it to reheat food that you've cooked before, or to keep food warm that you've ordered from a caterer. Cuinar is easy to use and it's safe and hygienic. It has a double wall insulation that keeps the heat inside and prevents the outer surface from getting hot. It also has a lid that seals the container and prevents water evaporation and contamination. It has a built-in circulation pump that ensures even heating and prevents hot spots. It also has a safety feature that shuts off the device automatically when the water level is too low or the temperature is too high. Cuinar is a Kickstarter project and it's currently available for pre-order at a special price. You can get it for $199, which is $100 off the retail price. The project has already reached its funding goal and it's expected to ship in June 2024. If you're interested, you can check out the link in the description below and back the project before it ends on January 15, 2024.